all, I am Dinga from English department. My topic is workshop. Basically, workshop is an interactive session and it provides hands-on learning experiences to the attendees and it focusing on skill building, problem solving and knowledge sharing. Then definition of workshop. Actually, it is an assembled group of 10 to 20, 25 and it is a by intensive study, research, practice and discussion. The attendees will develop a skill of subject and then move to the types of workshop. First one is educational workshop. It focuses on the specific academic subject, and then creative workshops. It improve the artistic skill of the attendees, and it may be painting, photography, and etc. Then professional development workshop. Here the participants will develop the professional skills like communication skill, leadership skills and decision making also. Then technical workshop. Here the participants get to know how to utilize all the technologies in society. And then craft workshop. It is also it helps the participants to explore their artistic skills. Then purposes of workshop. It improves the knowledge of the participants and it provides opportunity for learning, and there will be interactions and discussions from the participants, and we can express freely and exchange our ideas, and it is a completely collectively thinking process. Then steps in preparing workshop. Actually in workshop there are two phases. One is pre-active phase and the next one is active phase. In pre-active phase we will define the goal, and we will select the target group, and we will select the right location and date, and we will prepare an agenda, and then finally we have to follow a plan. In active phase there are three stages. The first stage in the theoretical, and the presenter will present the theoretical background of the concept. In the second stage, each member will divide into the group, and then they will have one guide, and then they will discuss about it. And the third stage, the representative of each member will present their own findings. Then advantages of workshop. It provides hands-on learning experiences and active participation. It provides practical knowledge, and it develops problem-solving skills, and it boosts our confidence and creativity. And there will be interactive environment, and we can improve our skills also. Then disadvantages of workshop. So to conduct a workshop we need a lot of time, so it will be very time consuming and limited depth. Sometimes it will be very cost effective and unequal participation. Sometimes people do not take interest in practical works and participant disagreement. These are the things lacks here. Finally, conclusion. So it is a very very valuable learning tool, because whatever we have learned through workshop we can apply all those things in our practical life also. That's it. Thank you.